everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope to find you all in the best of your health. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video. So I'm going to share a product review. So if you have been following my channel since a long time, you would have known that my channel promotes a child-led learning approach, a play-based learning approach in which the child learns by doing. So he learns through a practical approach of things and not the theoretical. So I always promote these practical methods of learning rather than the rote learning. So as you all know, the government of India has launched a new education policy 2020, which too reflects on a practical approach of learning for children from an early age. So reflecting to that, I have been researching a lot about some educational toys or educational products which promote such type of learning methods. So during my research, I came across a very unique product that's what I'm going to share with you. What is the product and what are the details about the product? Will be sharing with you all the details. So let's start the unboxing. I have a daughter who is 3 years old now. So I will show you first. I will show you what was her reaction on seeing the product. Kuhu, there is a gift for you. Can you open it? What's inside?
Wow, it's a rocket.
Do you like it?
Yes, I like it, Mama. Yay, 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 yay. This is a rocket. See, it's going up space.
Wow, this will go into space. So guys, this is the product which I was talking about. It's a space science kit. It's called RockIT and it has been designed by a team of IITians and NITians. It's a made in India product. It's designed by a team of young people who have been researching about some practical learning approaches for children. So for kids of the age around 4 to 7 years. And believe me, it's going to be a very interesting gift for your child if you want to invest in a very good educational toy for your child. This is going to be it. As we all know, the early years of childhood are the foundation years and they are very crucial in development and growth of a child. So a child would become what we will make out of them. So it's very important to inspire them to think that way in a practical way from starting from an early age. So this product's motto is to inspire the children at an early age and make them leaders and help them be problem solvers and leaders in their respective field. So this product promotes a practical child-led learning approach. So I'll be going to share with you all the details, what's inside this box and what all things a child can learn. So I'm very much excited to know what's inside this wonder box. I'm sure you would also want to know what's inside this one. So let's start the unboxing. So after opening things, wow, RockIT. So your child is going to rock it. So this is a model of RockIT, and with this one we'll open this and let's see what's here. So there are, first of all, there are two brochures. So this will give you all the information that you need about the product. I'm sure every detail is there inside this. So this is the introduction part, and here, if you can see, here are the list of activities which your child can do using this kit, and these are the list of materials which you need for the activities, and all these materials will be provided inside the kit. So these are the list. And one more thing, there is a science camp activation code which is provided at the bottom. So this is the science camp activation code. So this kit is going to be like an summer camp for your child, because there are around 10 to 15 activities that are provided, and all the materials that will be needed in the activities are provided with the kit itself. And to know how to do those activities, so there are video presentations given by the team. So you have to mail to them this activation code, and when they will receive this code, they will provide you with all the video presentations regarding the activities. So you will get the details regarding each and every activity. They will show you the demo of how to do the activity, and child can do by seeing the video. So it's like an live, you can make a live class. For that you can play the video, and your child will watch the video and simultaneously do the activity by themselves, and you can guide them. And all the materials are also provided, so it would be very easy to do all the activities. In other activity boxes which I have been seeing, I have brought some of them for my daughter. In that one, I have got all the products, and no, there's no video presentation. They gave only the instructions which we have to follow. But I find it interesting, and I find it good one that they have provided the videos for all the activities. So it's going to be very easy for the child to follow. So it's a plus point which I find it from better than other activity boxes. So this is the booklet, and they have provided the website. Their website is called T2P Kids. So this product is designed by the team T2P Kids. So this is their website link, and their mail ID and their contact number. If you want to know anything about the product, or you want to purchase this product, you can go through this one. I will provide all the details in the description box of this video. I'll provide the contact number, mail, as well as their website, so you can go through them, go through the website. They have also designed few other products which you might be interested in. So this is the brochure, and there is a small booklet for your child, Journey to Space. So this kit is going to be about space. So they have provided information about a little sentences about each product, like rocket, satellites, rover. They have provided very beautiful pictures. So it would be going to be very interesting for your child. So I think this is going to be the best gift you can provide to your child on their birthday or any day. It's the best investment to do. So let's start. What's inside this one? This is the rocket. So it's GSLV MK3. So this rocket has a name. Now let's open it. You have to open from here. So when you open, inside this there are all the products, materials that you will be needing for the activities. So everything is provided inside this. So there are thermocol balls, then so these are all the materials that will be needed for the activities. Everything is provided here, so do check out this one. So these are all the materials: battery, the wires, and everything is provided in this one. Balloons. So all these products, all these will be needed for the activities. So inside this one there are materials for the activities. So these are also, so I think this is a craft paper. This would be needed for the activity. These are the labels, stickers. Wow. So there are activities of making 3D models of the rocket and the satellites. So these are the materials for that. 3D model of a satellite. Wow, there is a happy birthday card inside this. So if you're gifting it to your child on their birthday, there's a happy birthday card. So these are all the materials. So these are big layouts for making the 3D models of rocket, and everything is given here. Dimensions are also mentioned. So I find it very interesting, and they have done it very beautifully and in a very correct manner, so that a child can easily do all the activities without any help. Also they can do, because they have been providing the video presentations. So these are all the material you get with this product, and this is a wallpaper. This is a wallpaper you get. So this is a bonus. This will not be needed for the activity. So this they have provided. You can paste it on the walls of your child's study room, so that they will feel inspired. Like there are robots, astronauts, stars and moons, spaceships. So it's a very nice wallpaper. So these are all the materials that you get with the product. Seeing this one only, I will the child would be very much feel interested in doing the activity. So it's this one, I like it very much. So how they have provided all the material in this rocket, it's a very interesting thing. So I'm liking the product. So this product would be useful for kids from the age 4 to 5 years till 10 years of age. There's an bulb holder inside this holder, so that you can glow light, and there are activities related to that. So they have given this one. So I find it very interesting. And so if you're a child and interested in space, moon, stars and all those stuffs, so I think this is going to be a very good gift for them. So do invest in this one. I would recommend this product a lot, because I have been liking it. And secondly, this product, it will keep them engaged for a very long time. Like each activity is going to be for, like, they would get engaged for around 1 hour in each activity. By seeing the videos, it's going to be very interesting for them do the stuff. So what are the activities I'm going to share? So first one is a draw GSLV rocket. So they have given dimensions, each and everything they have provided, so that it would be easy. Then second activity is to make a rubber band powered rocket. Wow, that sounds interesting. Balloon powered rocket. Satellite, making 3D models of satellites. So first they have to draw, and then in the next activity they have to make a 3D model. Then 3D model of a rocket, 3D model of a solar system, constellation with projector. I'm finding very interesting all these activities. Drawing different faces of moon, 3D model of different faces of moon, 3D model day night concept, 3D model different weather concept, and there is a birthday card on space theme as I have shown you. There is a DIY lamp inside this one, DIY lamp. So these are all the activities in this one. So I am finding it all interesting, and all the materials are also provided, and 3D video demo presentation are also provided with the kit. And one more thing, one more interesting thing is that if your child send them the assignments, like they have to do the activities by seeing the video presentations, and after completing their assignment you can mail it, the pictures and videos of that to them on their mail ID. Their mail ID is provided in this t2pkids@gmail.com. so you have to mail that assignment to them, and what they will get, your child will be awarded with laminated certificates on sharing the video presentation of assignments. So this is very interesting. So they will be awarded for their assignment also. So this would be very encouraging and motivating for the child. So these are all the things. To buy it, you can visit their website, and this product is now available at a discount of 50%, so you can get it for a reasonable price of $8.99 with around 50% discount. I find it very reasonable, seeing the activities that they have provided and with the video presentations and all the materials that they have provided. So this price of $8.99 is quite reasonable. So I have provided every detail about the product in this one, in this video. If you want to check out, you can go to their website and do check it out. I hope you liked today's video. This was an interesting product review which you would not get anywhere, because this product is not available on Amazon or Flipkart or any other site. This is an exclusive product of T2P Kids. So I hope you liked today's video. If you do, please hit the like button and share it with other parents of the age group 4 to 10 years, so it might be helpful for them. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to my channel, because we provide videos related to child care, their educational stuffs, art and crafts, DIYs, and all the interesting stuffs related to parenting. So these are the stuff videos you are going to get in this space. So if you are interested in such stuff, you can consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the regular updates of the videos that I upload. And I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourselves, and thank you so much for watching. Happy parenting.